Let us solve for s given 4 raised to power x is equal to 20. The given equation is 4 raised to power s is equal to 20. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 4 raised to power s is equal to log 20. If you have log a raised to power m is equal to m log a, this can be written as x log 4 is equal to log 20. Let us divide both sides of this equation by log 4. This divided by log 4 and this divided by log 4. Log 4 here 1, log 4 here 1. S multiplied by 1 is equal to log 20 divided by log 4. S is equal to 20 is equal to 4 multiplied by 5. Then we have log 20 can now be written as log 4 multiplied by 5 divided by log 4. S is equal to, if you have log A multiplied by B, this is equal to log A plus log B. Then here we have log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4. If you split this, x is equal to log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4. Log 4 here 1, log 4 here 1. X is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by log 4. And if you have log A divided by log B is equal to log A base B. S is equal to 1 plus log 5 base 4. This is the value of S. We may solve this using natural logarithm method. Let us call this method 2. We have the given equation 4 raised to power s is equal to 20. Now let us take the natural log on both sides of this equation. Ln of 4 raised to power s is equal to ln of 20. This is s ln of 4 is equal to ln of 20. S ln of 4 divided by ln of 4 is equal to ln of 20 divided by ln of 4. That is, if you divide the whole of the equation by 4. This ln of 4 cancel this ln of 4. S is equal to ln of 20 divided by ln of 4. And ln of 20 can be written as ln of 4 multiplied by 5 divided by ln of 4. S is equal to ln of 4 multiplied by 5 can be written as this. We have ln of 4 plus ln of 5 divided by ln of 4. S is equal to ln of 4 divided by ln of 4 plus ln of 5 divided by ln of 4. This ln of 4 cancel this ln of 4. S is equal to 1 plus ln of 5 divided by ln of 4. This is the value of s in terms of natural logarithm. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. 4 raised to power s is equal to 20. Then if s is equal to 1 plus log 5 base 4, 4 raised to power 1 plus log 5 base 4 must be equal to 20. Now, 4 raised to if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then this can be written as 4 raised to power 1 multiplied by 4 raised to power log 5 base 4 must be equal to 20. 4 raised to power 1 is 4 multiplied by 4 raised to power log 5 base 4 must be equal to 20. If you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. Then if you have m raised to power log n base m, this is equal to n. Therefore, we have 4 multiplied by the whole of this is 5 must be equal to 20. And 4 multiplied by 5, this is 20, is equal to 20, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe and comment. Bye.